Dear friends, today I am going to discuss about glycosides. Definition of glycoside. Glycosides are non-reducing organic compounds that on hydrolysis with acids, alkalis or enzymes yield a sugar part and non-sugar part. Sugar part is also called glycon moiety or sugar units. Glycon moiety form may be one or more sugar units. A non-sugar part is also called aglycon moiety or genin. What is solubility of glycosides? Glycosides are water-soluble compounds and insoluble in the organic solvents. Glycon part, that is water-soluble, insoluble in the organic solvent, while aglycon part, that is water insoluble or soluble in the organic solvents. Some glycosides are soluble in alcohol. What are different physicochemical properties of glycosides? First property, they are colorless, solid, amorphous, non-volatile. They give positive reactions with molish and failing solution test after hydrolysis. They are water-soluble compounds, insoluble in organic solvents. When a glycoside has a lot of sugar, its solubility in water decreases. Most of them have bitter taste except populin, glycyrrhizin. They are odorless except saponin, example glycyrrhizin. Glycosides hydrolyze by using mineral acids, temperature, or by using enzymes. Example, emulsin or myrosinase. Emulsin, that enzyme found in bitter almond seed that contains amygdalin. Glycoside, the hydrolysis of amygdalin that takes place by enzyme, that is emulsin, which is naturally present or found in the almond seeds. Another example of enzyme hydrolysis, that is myrosinase. Black mustard seeds that contains glycoside sinigrin. That sinigrin glycoside hydrolyzed by enzyme myrosinase, which is found in the black mustard seed itself and converted into glycon and aglycon moiety. Biosynthesis of glycoside. It takes place in two steps, step first and step second. Step first, in which uridine triphosphate that react with sugar 1-phosphate. It gives uridine diphosphate and pyrophosphate inorganic compound. In second step, the uridine diphosphate sugar molecule that react with acceptor or aglycon moiety of the glycoside. It gives into glycosides. Glycoside that contains sugar and non-sugar part. Acceptor, that is non-sugar part, and sugar molecule, both are connected to each other through a linkage or through a bond. Maybe O, S, N or C. And UDP molecule is to be formed. So this is about the biosynthesis of glycoside. What are different functions of glycosides in plants? First function, it converts toxic materials to non-toxic or less toxic. Second function, transfer water-soluble substances by using monosaccharides. Another function, it acts as a source of energy. It regulates the growth of plant. It may be responsible for the different color shades of different parts of plants. Maybe the beautiful colors, due to glycosides, example anthracene glycosides or anthocyanidins. So that is glycosidic in nature. Okay, and responsible for the different color shades in different parts of plants, mainly in the petals of flower, responsible for the or beneficial for the pollination process. Some glycosides have antibacterial activity, so they protect the plants from bacteria and diseases. Classification of glycoside. Classification of glycosides on the basis of the linkage between glycone and aglycone part. O glycosides. In these glycosides, the sugar part is linked with alcoholic or phenolic hydroxyl or carboxyl group. In short, glycone and aglycone moiety both are connected to each other through O linkage. Such a type of glycoside is called O glycoside. Then second type, S glycoside. In this glycoside, the sugar attached to a glycone part or non-sugar part through S linkage, sulfur linkage. Example, cinegreen. N glycosides. In these glycosides, the sugar molecule is attached with non-sugar molecule through nitrogen atom of amino group. Example, nucleosides of DNA and RNA. C glycosides. In these glycosides, the sugar molecule linked with non-sugar molecule or aglycone moiety through carbon bond or carbon atom. So, example, aloin. Classification of glycosides according to the aglycone part. First, alcohol glycosides. If a glycone part is alcohol, this group called alcoholic group. Example, salicine, populin. Second type, aldehyde glycoside. If a glycone part is aldehyde, this group called aldehydic glycosides. Example, glucovanillin. Third type, phenol glycosides. If a glycone part is phenol, this group called phenolic group, like arbutin. Fourth type, cyanogenetic or cyanophoric glycosides. Cyanogen is the aglycone part or moiety in the glycosides. They yield hydrocyanic acid upon hydrolysis. Example, amygdalin. Then next class, isothiocyanate glycoside. Example, cinegreen or cinalbin. Cinegreen or cinalbin found in black mustard seeds. Next class, anthraquinone glycosides. In this glycoside, sugar that attached to non-sugar moiety or anthraquinone type of molecule or anthraquinone is the nature of a glycone moiety. Example, senoside or imodine. Next class, steroidal glycosides. These contain a sterol as an aglycone. Example, digoxin. Then next class, flavonoid glycoside. A flavone, flavonone, aglycone is present in these glycosides. Example, rutin, hesperidine. Then last class of glycoside, triterpenoid glycosides or saponin glycosides. A triterpene molecule is condensed with a sugar component. Example, glycyrrhizin. In short, glycyrrhizin that contains pentacyclic triterpenoid saponin. Okay. So this classification mainly based on the chemical nature or type of a glycone moiety which is present in the glycoside. Then classification of glycoside based on glycone part. First type, glucose. Example, senoside. Means senoside that contains glucose as a sugar moiety or glycone moiety. Rhamnose. Example, pangolin. Pangolin, glycoside that contains rhamnose is a glycone part. Then digitoxose, digoxin. This is a cardiac, means a type of cardiac glycoside in which digitoxose is a type of glycone moiety or the glycone part. Glucose and rhamnose glucoramnoside. So these types of the glycone moiety found in glucofrangulin, rhamnose and glucose, and rhamnoglucoside that found in rutin. So these are the different type of glycoside based on glycone part. Okay, thank you friend, thank you one and all. Here we have discussed detail about the definition, properties, chemical test and classification of glycosides. In next video we will see about the examples of the glycosides.